Hey, what is up, you guys? I think today we're gonna get a decent amount of progress done, considering we're gonna snag some MIG wire and cut up and put the other bucket in, and I don't know, go from there. Honestly, we can just start putting in the core support after that, see how it lines up, maybe tack it in, put the fenders on, put the bumper on, see how it all lines up. I don't know, maybe go from there. If it all lines up okay, maybe I don't know, start the long process of welding it in. And I mean, it's not gonna be quick. It's gonna take a little bit of time to weld it, and I want to make sure it's extremely solid. So I'm definitely gonna take my time with it. But I'm excited to bring you guys along with the process, and you guys can see it firsthand as well. So I'll see you guys when we get down to the shop. feel like today was such a good day with progress. Genuinely getting this core support on wasn't an easy task, but it proved to be really, really, really successful. It really looks damn straight, and genuinely the gap on both sides of the fenders are really, really nice. I feel like this is amazing progress for part 6, and genuinely getting this far, it's been crazy. Honestly, to think that 6 episodes ago this car was sitting over here sideways. Keep in mind, use a cherry picker to actually move it around here, back it in, put it forward. Jesus, is so much effort has gone into just to get it to this point. I feel like it's genuinely coming together so well, because, you know, if I put the front wheel back on and tuck that fender in, oh damn, you'd almost wouldn't be able to tell that it was wrecked. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. This one has been like all over the place, and honestly I apologize for that, but I'm so grateful for all the continuous support, and it's genuinely keeping me doing what I'm doing. All these late nights are absolutely paying off.